Ever wondered what's behind those smart recommendations, self-driving cars, or even the voice assistant in your phone? It's all thanks to something called artificial intelligence, or AI. Simply put, AI is about making computers think and learn like humans. Not perfectly, but well enough to understand, reason, and solve problems. Imagine teaching a child. You show them many examples, right? AI learns similarly by analyzing vast amounts of data, pictures, words, numbers to spot patterns, make connections, and predict outcomes. From recognizing faces in your photos and suggesting what to watch next, to helping doctors diagnose diseases and guiding self-driving cars, AI is already woven into our daily lives. Now, it's important to remember, AI isn't exactly the super-intelligent, emotional robot overlord from sci-fi movies. It's a powerful tool designed to perform specific tasks, not to feel emotions or have consciousness. As AI continues to evolve, it promises to transform industries, solve complex global problems, and make our lives even easier and more efficient. It's an exciting journey, and we're just getting started. Subscribe for more amazing facts.